Hi, welcome back to Create a WordPress Website. I'm Mary Kane with Blog Site Studio. Last time we discussed setting up a new WordPress install on our new web host. And this time in step 3, we are going to install a theme in that new WordPress install. Now you might wonder, what exactly is a theme? A theme is a package of software that controls the whole look and feel of your website and a lot of the functionality as well. And so it's very important. Without it, your site would be nothing. It would look like something from the 1970s, very bland and boring. So it's important to pick the right theme for your site. Depending on what your website is about, it's important to find something that reflects the site itself and also fits within your budget for both time and money. I like to think of buying a new theme like buying a house. You want to, if you want a fixer-upper, you could get a free theme, and like a house, it's going to have the structure and it's going to have a ceiling and a floor, but not much else. You're going to have to renovate like crazy, so you'll be putting a lot of time and money into it, but it's free. So that's the kind of the best way to go for beginners with WordPress. Because you'll learn a lot, that's for sure. The next step up would be to get a premium theme, and that's like buying a move-in ready house, a turnkey, where everything is set up for you and all you have to do is move in your furniture. And the premium themes come with, they'll come with custom posts, they'll come with extra plugins and all kinds of functionality and extra stuff that might be specific to the niche you're building your website for. And so it's often a very good way to go, and with the purchase price of maybe $50 to $100, you will also get developer support, so you can get help when you need it. So that's often very valuable if you're ever very confused about how the theme works. The top tier is a custom theme, and well, it's rather like buying a piece of land and hiring an architect to build your dream home exactly the way you want it, and there will be no houses like that on your street or in the world. One of a kind of thing. And that's going to run you maybe, at least $2,000, depending on the size of the site, what you plan to do with it. The downside to getting a custom theme, of course, is that you're kind of marrying yourself to that developer, because when you want to make any changes or upgrades, that's the person that knows how to work with the site. Often they're very complex, and they change a lot of things. They start with a basic WordPress theme and build it out in a very particular way that only they know about. So you're kind of taking a leap if you get a custom theme, and it may not always be the best plan. So what we're going to do is start, I'm going to show you how to work with a free theme and a premium theme. Okay, here we are at the front of our new site. There is nothing loaded, but this is how it will look. You'll have your fake headline and tagline, a greeting of a title, a bit of a post information here, and here's your sidebar. So this is I think this is 2016, which comes automatically from WordPress. But we are going to add a new theme to it. So to do that, I'm going to go, I always keep two tabs open so I can see the front end and I can easily tab to the back end. And here we are at the dashboard, and we're going to go down to Appearance, Themes, and yes, this is the theme we have right now. Here's the details for it, but who cares about that? There's a couple of other themes here we can choose from, but we're going to add a new one. So we're going to go Add New, and these are the themes we have to choose from, all available from WordPress. There is more actually. This is only the top 15 featured ones. You can look through the popular ones. These two are already installed. There's 3 are installed. So here are some more themes that we can choose from. All of these are free. So we need to make a choice, and I think what we're going to go for is this one, Color Mag. Click on it, and you can preview it in the customizer, and you can read the description for it. It says it's a responsive magazine style theme. Almost all themes are responsive these days, which means that it will be visible in on your phone without having to mess around with it. In fact, the new WordPress has this function in Customizer that allows you to preview the themes and your site on different devices. So this is how it would look on an iPhone, which is pretty cool. So from this we can glean that it's a magazine style. I think it's pretty apparent that it's fairly modern, minimalistic, flat, which is very fashionable these days. So I think we're going to go for it, and we're going to click Install, and it's in. That is in. We're going to hit Activate, and that is going to make it replace the old theme, and this is the theme that is current on our site. Alright, let's say we want to upload a premium theme. To do that, we're going to have to go and get one. I get a lot of my themes from Theme Forest. Not that I search for them there, it's just that every theme that I like, when I go to buy it, it comes from Theme Forest. So basically you're going to make an account, you're going to sign in, you're going to pay for the theme, and then you'll download the theme onto your hard drive. When it's downloaded, it will come as a zip. In this case, here's the theme that we're going to work on today, Patty, and it comes as a zip. But the thing about it is that the zips are often zipped with other files that are unnecessary, like all the demo content, documentation, licensing, etc. And within the zipped file, you will find just the Patty zip file that you want. And there's also sometimes a child theme, which we're going to discuss later. So basically, this is the file you're going to want. So back at our site, we're going to add new, and we're going to say upload theme, and we're going to browse for the file that we're going to upload. Okay, we've found our file in our downloads, and we're just going to click on the zip file that has just the name of the theme .zip. And we're going to say install now, and it's going to do its thing. All right, so the theme has uploaded properly, successfully, and we could activate it. We could go to live preview. But I think for our purposes, we're going to stick with the easier theme, Color Mag, just because the Patty theme has some functionality that I don't want to start with. It's a little more complicated to work with, but I think for right now we'll stick with the Color Mag. Now, if your site already was populated with photos and stories and things like that, all of those things would fall into place. If you were to change your mind and upload another theme, all of those things would fall into the new places automatically.
Okay, now that we've got our new theme installed, we're ready to build our new site.